Good morning, student. Welcome back to your business study online class. And yesterday, as we have started the promotion mix tool topic, and we have already covered the first promotion mix tool, that was advertisement, which was called as an impersonal form of communication, right? And today we will be covering the second one, promotion mix tool, and that is personal selling. Personal selling basically play a very important role into any marketing. The reason behind this is that this is basically a way of personal communications. There is a direct contact of salesperson to the customer, where the salesperson give information about the product towards the buyers. They create the awareness about the product available into the market, and also give the whole information about the product by a direct face to face contact with the customer. So they basically create more awareness about the product and the way the product has been developed, and they get the objective also of making profit maximization by boosting the sale, right? So this is the second form of promotion mix by which we can able to communicate our product towards the customer. We can provide a correct information of about product to the customer, and by which the sale can be boosted out. The features of personal selling basically say that first is it's basically a personal form of communication. Why personal form of communications? Because hey, there is a direct face to face dialogues between whom? Between the person who's going to purchase the product, means our prospective buyer, and the seller or the marketer, right? So both the people are coming together. They are directly face to face contacting each other, communicating with each others, and that is the reason it contain or it has a feature of personal form of communications. The second thing is development of relationship. The personal selling has a advantage also and the feature also, that it help a sell person to develop a good personal rapport with the customer, because they basically interact with each other, where the sell person inform the customer about the product information, and the same time the customer also give the feedback to the sell person regarding its demand and about the feedback if they have already consumed the product. So hey, the two features of personal selling, the main two features of personal selling is that it's first a personal form of communications because of the direct contact between the seller or the marketer or and the customer, and second, it is developing the good relationship, personal relationship between the customer and its seller because of giving and taking the feedback. Now the next is advantage of personal selling. Personal selling has certain advantage or merits also in a promotion mix tool, and that is flexibility. Why flexibility? Because if you talk about advertisement as a form of promotions or promotion mix, अगर आप advertisement की बात करते हैं, where we are communicating our product information to our customer by advertising that in a media form, right? It can be magazine, it can be news, or it can be newspaper, anything, right? So what is happening? The flexibility is not there. The same message is going to be shown into TV, into the medias, into the newspaper, into the magazine for all the customer, right? According to the customer, we are not able to adjust our presentation. According to the customer, we are not able to adjust our message. We are not able to change that. So that is the reason advertisement does not have a flexibility advantage, but personal selling has a flexibility advantage. Why? The sell person who has been appointed, who is going to have a direct contact with the consumer according to the features of a consumer, according to the personality of a consumer, according to the desire and need of a consumer, he can change the way he communicate the product to the customer. So that is the reason the first advantage of personal selling is that it has a feature of flexibility. The second is direct feedback. This is a very important advantage of personal selling, that because of face to face communication of your consumer and the sell person, we have a direct feedback about the customer product, and even we have a direct feedback from the customer about what kind of product they are requiring, so that we can give or provide this feedback to the producer, and according to that only the futures product can be generated. The next is minimum wastage. In case of advertisement, because the advertisement goes through with each and every people, right? But we are not targeting any personal customer over there, right? It means the target customer was not decided. Advertisement is made for the whole mass communication or for the people of the whole country, right? Now when we talk about personal selling, we did not go through with the whole people. We basically decide our target customer, and then after deciding the target customer, then we contact them. So what basically we are doing, we are not wasting our resources as a form of human efforts also, and as a form of money also. Now this was about the personal selling at its advantage. Now personal selling play a very important role in today time also. For different people it has lots of advantage also. Now let's see what are the different advantage and how personal selling is playing an important role for business, for customer, and for society. So let's see what is the importance of personal selling for a business, right? Now the first important of personal selling towards the businessman or towards the firm is that effective promotional tool. Personal selling, we say, is a very effective promotional tool because it influence about the merit of a product and increase its sell. Now what is happening in the personal selling, a sell person which is appointed by the firm of organization, right? एक firm या organization जो कि sell person को appoint करती है अपने product को communicate करने के लिए to the customer, right? So they basically go through with more effective manner in comparison to advertisement, because they are directly talking to the customer. They can able to easily inform the customer about the advantage of the product, and in that manner they can pursue the customer for the purchasing of the product, and the selling can be boosted out. The second is flexible tool. The advantage of personal selling for the businessman or for the firm is that it is a flexible tool. The flexible tool basically say that when we talk about advertisement or promoting our goods by advertisement, it does not contain that much of flexibility. In a business person need to go through with the flexibility, that we need to go through with the personal selling in those area where we really feel that the demand of product is there. So according to the demand change, according to the fluctuation in the demand, we can also able to change out the location of our personal selling contact. Next is minimize wastage of efforts. Now compared with other tool of promotion, if we compare personal selling with the other tools which are available into the marketing, like your publicity is there, like your sell promotion, lots of tools are there, then your advertisement is there, then we find that personal selling is basically having where we have to put a less amount of resources also, as a form of human efforts also, or as a form of fund also. So that is the reason it is minimizing the wastage of efforts. The next say consumer attention. This is a very important point of personal selling, that it can have a opportunity. By the help of personal selling, a sell person can have a opportunity to take the consumer attention, to increase the interest of consumer for the purpose of purchasing its product. Next is lasting relationship, because personal selling basically they are going to contact each other, the sell person and the consumer. They talk each other, they exchange their feedback with each other. So basically the relationship is going to be here for a long period of time, which is definitely going to give profit to the organization for a long period of time. Next is personal rapport. Now by the help of personal selling, a sell person can able to make a good personal rapport with the firm of the organization side. It means because of the direct contact between the sell person who is a appointment from the organization side, a good reputation is made of firm in front of the customer. The next is role in introduction stage. Now personal selling play a very important role, especially when a new product is introduced into the market, right? Because whenever we introduce any new product, we need to go through with more innovation, so that we can able to give competition to the older product which are already available in the market. So personal selling play a very important role, because the sell person who has a good quality of speaking, who has a good quality of communicating about the product informations, can able to pursue the customer to go through with the purchasing of the product. Next is link with the customer. Now it also play a very important role by linking with the person or by linking with the customer. Now the sell people, it means the sell person who is appointed from the organization side, they link with the customer according to a different roles. Now sometimes they play a role of namely perceive role, means they are appointed as a sell person where they need to increase the sell of organization. That role is played by them. The service role, they also play a role of services. If there is any feedback, any complaint regarding the product, that these type of services can also be given from the personal selling or personal sell person. And even an informative role also. Informative role basically say where his job is to inform about the product which is available in the market to the customer, and in case there is any query, any feedback of customer, to give this information to the producer. So this is the advantage of a salesperson or a personal selling, that a salesperson play a very important role and different kind of roles towards the business person and towards the customer also. Now let's see the importance of personal selling towards the customer. So the first say that help in identifying need. The personal selling, the first advantage toward the customer is it helps the customer to identify what he actually desire, what he actually need. And once he know that, then just to check that he satisfy, he means the customer satisfy its need. So first it is a job of a salesperson inside the personal selling to help the customer to identify its actual desire or actual need, and once that identification has been done, help him to satisfy his need in a best manner. Now next is latest market information. There are lots of informations regarding the product quality, the way the product has been developed, reshaped, redeveloped, right? New product has come, the shortage of the products, the supply of the product. There are lots of demand in the market which used to change time to time. So these all informations are also available from the salesperson in a personal selling way to the customer. The next is expert advice, because the salesperson, those who are already work as a profession, they have the knowledge about the product which they are going to sell, right? So they provide their advice also to the customer time to time, guide them how to purchase a various type of goods and services by checking their qualities. The next is induce customer. Personal selling basically induce customer to purchase a new product, because when a new product is launched into the market, the customer is basically confused about the quality of the product, about the standard of the product. So here a very important role is played from a personal selling, that the sell person who are appointed inside the personal selling, they encourage the customer by giving a good feedback about the product, by giving a good information about the product, to pursue and to go through with the purchasing of product. So these are the different kind of advantage which personal selling basically provide to the customer. Let's see the role of personal selling or the importance of personal selling towards the society. The first say convert latest demand. Now this is the society. It basically means how the economic condition of a country get increased. It's basically there are lots short steps are there for that, right? Now convert latest demand basically that whenever any new product come into to the market, it is very difficult for that product to survive into the market, because the customers are little bit confused about a new product, they are hesitate to purchase a new product, right? So personal selling play a very important role by converting the demand of latest product into effective demand, right? And this is possible if we are converting that demand, means जो न्यू प्रोडक्ट मार्केट में आ रहा है और अगर हम पर्सनल सेलिंग के थ्रू कस्टमर को परस्यू कर पा रहे हैं उस प्रोडक्ट को परचेज करने के लिए, सो व्हाट वी आर बेसिकली डूइंग कि जो प्रोडक्ट आपका आया लेटेस्ट प्रोडक्ट है, हम उस प्रोडक्ट की एक इफेक्टिव डिमांड को इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. इन दिस वे व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर कमिंग थ्रू विद द इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी ऑफ सोसाइटी ऑल्सो. Like because of a new product will come into the market, it means a new job will come for that. It means the income will also get increased. The same time the new more the firm or organization will grow, more product and services will come, so the opportunity of employment also comes. So this is how it is reflecting. This is going to reflect the per capita income and the employment opportunity of an individual, which is going to increase the economic condition of our country also. So this is a benefit personal selling is given towards the society. Next is employment opportunity. This is the second step. If a new product which is launched currently into the market, and we are able to, by the help of personal selling, we are able to make its demand effective into the market, then what is going to happen, the employment opportunity is going to increase, because if the product production will expand, we will require more people for working or for producing the product. तो वहाँ पे क्या हुआ, आपने employment opportunity provide कर दी इंडिविजुअल को जो कि सोसाइटी के मेंबर्स हैं, राइट? देयर इनकम विल increase and the same time employment opportunity we are giving. Next is career opportunity. Personal selling में what we are doing, the selling is providing attractive career with greater opportunity for advancement and job satisfaction. Means the people sell person are right now basically worked as a career also, as a professions also. So sell person is also working as a career opportunity now. Next is mobility of sell peoples. Now for the purpose of personal selling, the sell person need to move to different target customer. For that they have, or they will be going through with the tourism, they will be going through with the transportation. So what is basically happening, again the investment is going to done into a transportation field, which is again going to increase the income of a people, those who are linked with the transportation field. Next is product standardization. Product standardization basically say that personal selling increase product standardization and uniformity in consumption pattern in a diverse society. Means if we talk about society, there are a lot of different kind of peoples are living over there, but by the help of personal selling, when the sell person go and communicate the product, they does not go through with a particular society, they go through with lots of people, those who are belonging to a different caste, different color. So what is basically happening here, the product is same product is going to be with a different kind of people into a society for the purpose of consumptions. So this was about the second promotion mix as a form of personal selling. Now we will be talking about the sell promotions. Now when we say about the sell promotion, we have to understand it that in comparison to your advertisement and personal selling, सेल प्रमोशन इज़ अ शॉर्ट टर्म इंसेंटिव, यानी एक छोटे टर्म इंसेंटिव के तौर पे काम करता है, अपने प्रोडक्ट को कम्युनिकेट करने के लिए, आपकी सेल को बूस्ट करने के लिए वर्क करता है, बट फॉर अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, नॉट फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. Now what is cell promotion? Cell promotion is basically designed to encourage the buyer to make immediate purchase of a product or services. यानी अगर हमें किसी प्रोडक्ट की इमीडिएटली उसको सोल्ड करना है or we want the customer immediately purchase that product, in that time we will be going through with the process of cell promotion. It is also one of the promotion mix tool, cell promotion, the third promotion mix tool. Now when we say about this cell promotion, these include all promotion efforts but other than advertisement, personal selling and publicity used by a company to boost its self. It means cell promotions tool में neither the advertisement will come, ना ही पर्सनल सेलिंग आएगी और ना ही पब्लिसिटी आएगी. एडवर्टाइजमेंट, पर्सनल सेलिंग, पब्लिसिटी, these all are different way or these all are called as the tools of promotion mix by which we communicate our product information towards the customer, and we are using that for the purpose of boosting the sell. But when we talk about the sell promotion will not contain, neither contain advertisement nor it will contain publicity and personal selling. The reason behind that is sell promotion is basically referred promoting our goods and services for a short term incentive. यानी एक गुड्स को सोल्ड करने के लिए, कस्टमर एक गुड्स को परचेज करे, ये शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए जो इंसेंटिव प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं कस्टमर को, उन्हें हम बोलते हैं सेल प्रमोशन. एडवर्टाइजमेंट, पर्सनल सेलिंग और पब्लिसिटी आपके शॉर्ट टर्म इंसेंटिव्स नहीं होते हैं, राइट. नाउ व्हाट कैन बी सेल प्रमोशंस देन? सेल प्रमोशन एक्टिविटी बेसिकली मीन जहाँ हमें जल्दी से जल्दी अपने गुड्स को सोल्ड कराना है, राइट. लाइक फॉर दैट व्हाट वी डू, वी ऑफर ए कैश डिस्काउंट, हम कैश डिस्काउंट करते हैं. देन वी ऑफर अ सैम्पल कॉन्टेस्ट ऑल्सो, फ्री गिफ्ट ऑफर ऑल्सो, like free sample distributions also. ये क्या है? These all are the different tools, different tactics by which we basically able to immediate sell our goods into the market. Now let's see the merit of sell promotion. Sell promotion के advantage क्या होते हैं? So the first advantage is attention value. Now sell promotion activities attract the attention of the people because of the use of incentive. यानी sell promotion में हम जो incentive use करते हैं, जो मेथड्स यूज़ करते हैं, वो बेसिकली क्या करती है? अट्रैक्ट करती है कस्टमर के अटेंशन को. नाउ यू हैव सीन व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू द मार्केट, यू फाउंड दैट डिस्काउंट, 30% डिस्काउंट, 40% डिस्काउंट, 50% डिस्काउंट, बाय वन गेट वन फ्री. ये सब क्या है? दीज ऑल आर सेल प्रमोशन टूल्स. ये सारे सेल प्रमोशन की टेक्टिक्स होती हैं. ये बेसिकली क्या करें? दीज आर अट्रैक्टिंग द कस्टमर, दे आर ट्राइंग टू अट्रैक्ट द कस्टमर्स to the immediate purchasing of the product. So the first advantage is attention value. The second is useful in new product launch. Now when we basically use the sell promotion is especially the time when a new product came to the market and where we want to inform our product to more and more people. That is the time we go through with the sell promotion. synergy in total promotional efforts. Now, sell promotion activities are designed to supplement the personal selling and advertisement efforts used by firm and add to the overall effectiveness of the promotional effort of a firm. It basically say that when we talk about the promotion of your goods and services, we go through with lots of activity, right from advertisement, your personal selling, where we need to put out certain expenditures. सेल प्रमोशन में बेसिकली हम क्या कर रहे हैं, दीज एक्टिविटीज़ आर डिज़ाइन इन सच अ वे जो कि सप्लीमेंट करने वाली हैं किसको, एडवर्टाइजमेंट को, पर्सनल सेलिंग को. इट मीन्स इफ़ यू आर प्रमोटिंग आवर गुड्स बाय द हेल्प सेल प्रमोशंस, then we are trying to avoid advertisement and our publicity or our personal selling. नेक्स्ट इज लिमिटेशन ऑफ सेल प्रमोशन. नाउ सेल प्रमोशंस के कुछ लिमिटेशंस भी होते हैं. द फर्स्ट इज रिफ्लेक्ट प्राइसेस. दिस बेसिकली से दैट इफ अ फर्म फ्रिक्वेंटली रिले ऑन सेल प्रमोशन, अगर एक फर्म सेल प्रमोशन पे आती है अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को सोल्ड करने के लिए, सो वी कैन हैव द कस्टमर कैन एबल टू ऑल्सो हैव अ इमेज और इम्प्रेशन दैट द फर्म इज़ नॉट एबल टू मैनेज इट्स सेल. यानी एक कस्टमर को ये इमेज भी आती है, इम्प्रेशन आ जाता है कि अगर ये फर्म हमें डिस्काउंट दे रही है, डिस्काउंट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द सेल प्रमोशन, राइट, रिबेटिंग दे रही है, एक गुड्स लेने पे एक गुड्स फ्री दे रही है, तो हो सकता है इस पर्टिकुलर फर्म और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के क्या नहीं हो रहे हैं, प्रोडक्ट सोल्ड नहीं हो रहे हैं. सो अ रॉन्ग रिफ्लेक्ट क्राइसिस, यानी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की क्राइसिस को कई बार शो करता है. The next is spoil product image. Sometime when we are going through the sell promotion tools, right? So it is spoiling the product image also. The buyer may start, like the purchaser can feel that the product is not good quality of product. That is the reason इसमें discounting यूज़ हो रही है सोल्ड करने के लिए, या फिर रिवेटिंग यूज़ हो रही है, या फिर एक के साथ में एक फ्री दिया जा रहा है. माइट बी तो गुड अच्छा नहीं है, प्रोडक्ट अच्छी क्वालिटी का नहीं है. सो व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग है, जो प्रोडक्ट है आपका उसकी इमेज ओवर हो रही है, उसकी इमेज खराब हो रही है. सो दीज आर द limitation of cell promotion. Now let's see what is basically the commonly used cell promotion activities. यानी सेल प्रमोशन में हम क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज़ यूज़ करते हैं अपने गुड्स को प्रमोट करने के लिए, सेल को बूस्ट आउट करने के लिए. फर्स्ट इज रिबेट. नाउ रिबेट बेसिकली क्या होता है, रिबेट बेसिकली ऑफरिंग प्रोडक्ट एट अ स्पेशल प्राइस टू क्लियर ऑफ एक्सेस इन्वेंट्री. Right, a car manufacturer offered to sell particular brand of car at a discount of rupees 10,000 for a limited period. It means rebate basically means एक special offer of product which is given within a particular period of time, and why we give it, just to clear out the excess inventory. यानी जो excess inventory हमारे पास पड़ी हुई है, कोई प्रोडक्ट हमने बना रखा है जो एक्सेस में बन गया है, ज़्यादा बन गया है, जो कि मार्केट में सोल्ड नहीं हुआ है, उसको क्लियर आउट करने के लिए एक स्पेशल ऑफर प्रोवाइड कराना, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज रिबेट. लाइक वी गिव द एग्जांपल हियर, एक कार मैन्युफैक्चरर ने एक ऑफर रखा हुआ है एक पर्टिकुलर पीरियड के लिए फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड ऑफ कार टू बी सोल्ड इन अ डिस्काउंट ऑफ 10,000 फॉर अ लिमिटेड पीरियड. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट, एक स्पेशल ऑफर प्रोवाइड किया गया है प्रोडक्ट के लिए. और क्यों किया गया है, अपने एक्सेस इन्वेंट्री है उसको क्लियर करने के लिए. सो दिस विल बी कॉल्ड एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ रिबेट. और ये क्यों किया गया, ताकि हमारी सेल बूस्ट आउट हो सके. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न रिबेट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड वन ऑफ द सेल प्रमोशन एक्टिविटीज़. नेक्स्ट इज डिस्काउंट. डिस्काउंट क्या है, ऑफरिंग प्रोडक्ट एट लेस देन द लिस्ट प्राइस. यानी जो प्रोडक्ट का लिस्ट प्राइस होता है, एक्चुअल प्राइस होता है, लिस्टिंग प्राइस यानी जो MRP में लिखा हुआ था, उस प्रोडक्ट के प्राइस से उसे कम में सोल्ड करना, कम में ऑफर करना मार्केट में, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज डिस्काउंट, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज रिफंड. रिफंड इज अनदर सेल प्रमोशन टूल्स. ये दूसरा सेल प्रमोशन टूल्स और सेल प्रमोशन एक्टिविटीज़ होती है. रिफंडिंग बेसिकली से अ पार्ट ऑफ प्राइस पेड बाय कस्टमर ऑन सम प्रूफ ऑफ परचेज, सी ऑन रिटर्न ऑफ एम्प्टी फॉइल और रैपर. यानी जो आपने एक पार्ट पे किया होगा, मीन्स वॉट एवर अमाउंट हैज़ बीन पेड फॉर अ प्रोडक्ट, उस पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट का एक पार्ट जब आप रीपे करते हो, रिटर्न करते हो कस्टमर को, हम रिटर्न कर रहे हैं, सेलर रिटर्न कर रहा है, सो दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज रिफंड. प्रोडक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन. प्रोडक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन बेसिकली से एक के साथ एक फ्री देना, लाइक यू हैव गॉट अ ऑफर अनदर प्रोडक्ट एज गिफ्ट अलॉन्ग विद द परचेज ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट. सो दिस इज व्हाट, प्रोडक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन क्यों यूज़ हो रहा है यहाँ पे, फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ बूस्टिंग द सेल. नेक्स्ट इज क्वांटिटी गिफ्ट. मीन्स ऑफरिंग एक्स्ट्रा क्वांटिटी ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. commonly this is used for a product which are basically used for a short period of time, और यानी ऐसे प्रोडक्ट जिनकी की प्राइसिंग जो होती है कम होती है. means suppose it is written 250 gram where it's written 25 gram extra. So where we are offering extra quantity of the product, that is also one of the way of boosting the sell into a sell promotions. Next is instant draw and assign gift. Now this is basically scratching a card, bursting a cracker, and purchasing anything and getting something instantly when you are getting something. So that is called as one of the sell promotion activities. Next is lucky draw, the offer of bathing soap. You have a soap where we have a offer of getting gold coin, lucky draw coupons are there, getting free petrol, and lots of things are there. So these all are what? These all are basically the way of boosting the sell which came inside your sell promotion. Next you have usable benefit. Usable benefit means like purchasing something goods और उसके बदले में आपको कोई दूसरा goods मिल जाए, कोई दूसरा beneficial product मिल जाए. Like for example, purchase good worth rupees 3000 and get a holiday package worth of 3000 free. Right? So what we are getting, हमने goods purchase किया जो कि हमारा useful है, उसके बदले हमें एक useful package मिल गया holidays का 3000 का free में. So this is what? This is basically a usable benefit we are getting. And why? For the purpose of promoting the sell, for the purpose of boosting the sell. Next is full finance. Full finance basically say many marketer of consumer durables such as electronic good, automobile, etc. offer easy financing schemes such as 24 easy installment. It means one should not be paying the whole amount in the same time. These amount can be paid in an installment according to the comfort level of the customer. So these all are basically different tools by which, or different activities of sell promotion by which we are boosting the sell of a firm. Sampling basically say that offering a free sample of a product means एक प्रोडक्ट को परचेज करने से पहले जब हम कस्टमर को एक फ्री प्रोडक्ट और फ्री सैम्पल प्रोवाइड करते हैं उस प्रोडक्ट के लिए. नेक्स्ट इज कॉन्टेस्ट बेसिकली से हैविंग अ कॉम्पिटिटिव इवेंट्स now which involve certain skills, which involve certain luck, like quizzes there, answering certain question and getting the product. So these all different kind of activities we are using for the purpose of promoting our sell, which is a part of your sell promotions. That is all about the sell promotion. In the next video we will be talking about the another promotion mix tool, and that will be called as publicity. Thank you.